Hey, stinky lady. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the farm. Today is Saturday, February 20th or 21st, something like that. Jess is down in Disney. I'm so proud of you, babe. Good luck on your marathon. Very, very exciting. I'm so proud of you. Lots of training and preparation up to this point. So kick butt tomorrow morning. I know it's going to be early. Today we got a lot of stuff going on the farm. We got to go bring some hay down to the sheep. The chickens need new food. We already got water taken care of last night when I got home from work. And then right behind you, take a look. All right, so last week we had some storms, some pretty big winds, and as I was coming out here, I saw this. So a branch fell, not that big of a deal. That's why I ended up moving the pop-up just in case. But as I looked up, I see that. Now this one, if this fell, it might hurt your eye. It might give you a scare. Something like that could kill you. And for those of you wondering what's back here, this is called a 3-point hitch. Basically, these arms are connected to hydraulic levers, so this can lift up. This is just the old tailgate from, a truck. You could have this on the back of your SUV, but it's really helpful to move things around. And weight limit on this thing at the, I believe it's 18 inches from here, is 600 pounds worth of lift and hold. So all good. When you get up even closer, I believe it's even stronger. And actually, because it's winter, I never really ran the Cub Cadet until it was out of fuel. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start this up and just let it run a little bit. So, but I gotta reconnect the battery. The reason I'm putting sandpaper to this is because you want the best contact from metal to metal. And a lot of times you have rust or just gunk build up on them. Especially, look at how dirty. Look at how dirty all this is. All right, battery coming in. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Let's go ahead. And listen, because some of us are also learning. Yes, it's okay to use your hands on stuff like this. You just don't want to touch the negative one at the same time. And I'll actually bring you in because, you know what, it is a little intimidating. Right. You might see a little spark. It's okay. I want everybody to know that anybody can do this. You ready? Look. It's all good. Nothing to bark about. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, a choke would help. Oh, yeah. Another bypass. Sheep need food. I'll go through. All right. We have the Kubota BX 2380. We can do a deep dive on this at some point. Really cool. We got the belly mower on it. No other real attachments. Up at the top, you can tilt that back and forth. I have that. I welded this up as my first welding project, and it's been holding up pretty good. Yep. And I'll throw a little diesel in it. Rude, you sad? What's wrong? What? Okay, do you want to come in? The problem is I let you in, you're rolling sheep poop. The band's off of these because they will eat them. What sucks is getting this stuff all over you. It itches. Not like itches like I'm allergic, it's just very sharp. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. This is very yummy. All right. All right. Man, I know that we talked about sometimes the harder way just being easier. A whole bunch of this. Bring it down here. All right, and real quick, I just wanted to kind of show you like what the real benefit and why having this on the back is so much more helpful now. You might be able to understand a little bit. Okay, we are back. We're gonna try to figure this out. So I want to be careful about what we're knocking down, but look at this. All this stuff is ready to fall at any moment. You guys saw me moving all around. All right, super quick. Chainsaws, like oil. All right, guys. I have no idea how this is gonna go, but it's gotta happen. We got babies and stuff walking around here. It's too dangerous. So.
Always remember, if it feels sketchy, it's probably a little too sketchy. I came off the ladder and ended up using some ratchet straps to pull this down.
All right, guys. Well, I totally failed getting any of that actually coming down on video, but we got it down. Um, she's pretty big. All right, so this is what I was seeing in the air. So this is why that branch was making me nervous. When it pulls apart like that, this almost looks like a stress fracture, or I don't know. Someone who knows trees better than me, give me a comment. What am I looking at? Make sure that it's forward. It's a good day any day you get to get all the motors on the property started. Let you guys hang out while I look at this door. Yeah, totally. So that's definitely rotted out. 1, 2. Go ahead. We're gonna take this inside. We're gonna replicate this thing. These are 3. Not every repair has to be amazing. I'm just gonna end up cutting this out and adding a patch right here, just so that it can. I want to go higher than that. Oh, right there. There you go. Alright, I know my intersections. Let's go cut this real quick. Alright, we are back. A few quick cuts on the miter saw. This and this. That was sister right there. That was sister like right there. Let's go. Not the safest cut to make, but we gotta try to come in a little better. Okay. Remember, guys, this is a chicken coop for chickens. It doesn't have to be pretty. Oh man, that is freaking spot on, guys. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I lost a ton of footage. Honestly, my storage on my phone got too busy and backed up. I am very impatient. I've got stuff to do. I don't want to wait for my storage thing to come back. So I let the ducks out, the ducks and the chickens, let them roam free kind of out here. But it's time to go back in. So come on, guys, let's move it. Follow me. We're going to do this. And also, just to sum up this over here, it got its patch. That's all it needed. Now it actually works nice. It doesn't have to be anything pretty, guys. It's for chickens, remember. Alright, thank you guys again for joining me for a wonderful day out on the farm. We didn't get to the chicken coop in the far back, that's okay. Another project for another day. It's not everything has to get done in one day. You won't get everything done in one day, and that's okay. Out in the front of the property, this tree right here is looking really bad on the front side. So I think tomorrow I might end up tackling that and cutting some more branches down. Other than that, we tapped the maple trees in the backyard. Hopefully get some syrup going this year. Syrup, however you pronounce. And yeah, thank you all for joining me. Be safe. Happy Saturday.